it was you.
Thank you sa pagpunta.
Yes, sure naman. Nag-enjoy naman ako. Ha? Nag-enjoy ako. Sige, next time. Okay, bye-bye.
Ring, 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 ring-a-ling. Ring, 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 ring-a-ling. Get your phone, ring, ring, someone call. Get your phone. They keep on calling and a calling, don't you leave it ringing, ring-a-ling, ring, 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 ring-a-ling. Ring, 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 ring-a-ling. Ring, 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 ring-a-ling. Get your phone.
Lord, it was your hands put the stars in their place. Lord, it is your voice that commands the morning, even oceans and their waves will bow at your feet.
Ano yan? Karga pasali.
Anong gusto mo?
Sila lang.
Ito na lang. Ayaw mo dalawa? Sige, akin na lang ito.
Uy, Ani! Sarap mo sa SM.
Ayoko mo. Okay. Game, dali.
Sarap mo sa amin. Tara, tara, tara.
Tara.
Holding hands. Holding hands. Tara, invite natin sa church. Uy, Ni! Kumusta na?
Susunog ka.
Ay, uy, ko.
Susunog ka.
Uy, punta tayong church. Invite ka namin.
Ba't siya lang?
Tama mo yung boyfriend mo. Okay. Sige. Tara, masaya dun ha. Tara, masaya dun. Lalo na sa Eric kayo maglilid ng festival. Oo, masaya yun.
Dahil nag-awang ka na.